Do you want to make your lips look attractive? If you want to make your lips attractive, then this video is for you. Because I showed you how to make your lips look attractive in this video. Everyone finds soft, plump, and smooth lips attractive, while everyone finds dry, cracked, and bleeding lips unattractive. If you would like to use just a few household items to get naturally kissable lips, why not read on? That's the purpose of this article. Steps 1. Use honey. Apply a good coat of honey on your lips, thick enough that you can see it in a mirror but not so thick it drips down your face, and leave it on overnight. This remedy is yummy and hard not to lick off, so only do this if you have good self-control. When you wake up, you'll have smooth, puckery lips. Steps 2. Use a cucumber slice. Cut a slice of cucumber off a cucumber, and gently press against lips for a few minutes. The high water content in cucumber helps to hydrate lips. Cucumber is also very soothing and will help to stop any discomfort caused by dry lips. Steps 3. Use coconut oil. You can use any type of oil, but coconut oil tastes yummy and works very well. Rub a bit on your finger, and apply it to your lips as you would with lip balm. Leave it on until it rubs off. Plump and natural lips. Steps 4. Make your own lip scrub. You will need a container, a toothpick, mixing utensil, sugar, and honey. Fill 1/2 of the container with honey and 1/2 with sugar. Mix the ingredients together, and use your finger to apply it to your lips. Being very gentle, rub it back and forth across your lips, then in tiny circles all over your lips. Rinse off with cool water. Steps 5. Use a toothbrush. Rinse your toothbrush with water, and gently rub your lips with it. If you want, apply a little bit of petroleum jelly on the toothbrush. Only do this if the toothbrush is an old one that you are not using. This gets rid of dead skin. If it hurts at all, stop and try a different method another day. Step 6. Use a cloth. Simply wet a cloth with warm water and press it to your lips for a few minutes, dipping it back in the water as needed when it cools. Afterward, gently rub it across your lips to remove dead skin. Step 7. Seal with an organic lip balm with an SPF of at least 15, or use a drop of oil, such as coconut or olive. Steps 8. Apply lipstick and/or lip gloss if desired.